Hi everyone. Today I have selected this topic electrical symbols, and that comes under physics, basic electronics. If you are dealing with an electric circuit, so can you draw all the symbols for various components? Let's do it. So the first electrical component is lamp. If it is given, how will you draw? This is drawn like this. This is the symbol for lamp. Okay. Now resistor, if we draw the resistor, it will be like this. But if we are dealing with a variable resistor, then the same symbol, but it is a variable one, so there will be an arrowhead, right? If we are dealing with voltmeter, simply it will be capital V and this one, right? Now it is the time for ammeter. So here capital A and this one. Now the next is, how will you represent earth? So the symbol is this one. Okay. Capacitor is represented by simply this notation. If it is a variable capacitor, just like we have variable resistor, so the same thing has to be drawn like this. Okay. And if we are dealing with AC voltage source, so it has to be drawn like this, circle, and then like this. So the next is, now comes the turn of cell, single cell. So that is positive terminal and this is negative terminal, and battery, which is a combination of cells. So you have to draw more than one cell like this. How many cells are there in this battery? Three cells, 1, 2 and 3. Diode. Diode is represented by this, okay, P type and N type. So this is positive terminal, this is negative. Now the bell, it has got a specific symbol just like others. If bell is to be shown in circuit, this is the proper way. Now the antenna is really very simple. Okay, this is really very simple. And the generator is just like voltmeter and ammeter. So you have to put capital G. So these are the 15 symbols I have taken for electrical circuits. I hope you like the video. You can subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.